see empratry awade aba na ye campaign awade asem na manka bia nyambe kume
eno ye court issue na
Daddy Lumba yasem ya ebusu apenyi obi ka je se ebusu apenyi onimade pa wakoski adu echire waye say are you sure the laws in Germany? This has given me time to go and study. Are you aware that by German law you can't be a dual citizen?
Nope.
German for nye dual. America yeah, UK yeah, German nye dual. Number 2, by the laws of civil marriage, under no circumstance can anybody be civilly married and break the act and go and do a customary marriage.
According to German law.
According to even our law here. The next thing is that, keep this in your head. Mrs. Akosua Sewa or Sewa Akosua Fosu, the legal wife of Daddy Lumba, has all the jurisdictional rights in this country of ours, Ghana, to serve any court notice or put an injunction anywhere because now when you're a citizen, now we're interested in any material here, the law supports you to take anybody to court. So a US person can take you to court, a Chinese person can take you to court. And the body, the funeral is happening here. The body is a German body. That woman must be given the cause of death certificate. Send a baby to me that call Akoya and Kratama Daddy Lumba and then ma ego. Nebusu penny. Ajina pensie so say o ka say o investigation o ko ba ya o go Lumba ni must say wako hu say Lumba wale. Is everything all right upstairs? Those making decision upstairs, is everything all right with them? I am not interested in Agosia Sewa. I am not interested in Odobroni. My interest is if we allow this to fly, wives who are quiet should know that in your civil marriage, anybody can walk and share an estate with you that they were married in secret. What happened to the law of bigamy? Do you know what bigamy is? Bigamy is a man who is married under the civil law and goes to perform any type of marriage rite. Do you know what is infidelity with a proof? Infidelity with a proof is the state of a man who is married under any customary law or married under what you call a civil law and move ahead to go and have sexual intercourse to produce babies. That is infidelity. So if Akosua Sewa has been quiet, that Lumba had children and she's condoned to it mistakenly, the first thing is that is an error because Akosua Sewa has the right to press charges against Lumba for infidelity with the proof by the children. So when did our custom allow that a baby mama can evolve to become a widow? Where do we sit and say family determines who? I mean, I had a very honorable man. A very, very honorable man speaking. Somebody who has been a parliamentarian before saying that nobody determines who a widow is, but it's our custom. Which of the laws? Who is a widow? A widow is the wife of the deceased man. Is that not it? Yeah. And a widower is the husband of. So where on earth do we say that custom demands that I'm married to my wife today? When I die, they can decide to go and pick Felicia as a widow because I have a child with Felicia. An honorable man said this. Hey, what is wrong with us? Akosua Sewa's people, I think they are not strong or they don't see what is coming. But if on the 6th December has been accepted by the office of the president, according to what Starboy Abu Sabenyi said, Akosua Sewa should rise up. I've seen their letters. I've seen letters, I've seen injunctions, I've seen a lot of things on Ghana Web. They should put in more fire.
I say, incite.
I am inciting because if we don't protect our marriage laws, it's not distraction. They should set the record straight. Who is the wife of Lumba by document?
And you know, set the record straight to destroying the reputation that Lumba have.
But Ebusu Penny can open his mouth that his son who has passed and is legally married in Germany can say after his investigation he realized that the son has married again, which is he knows it's a crime.
na say want to me for ebusuafoni penny mistake bi okoye ye.
But he's made it openly.
And friend, the image of that Lumba brand.
But what he was doing was denting the image of the son. Unless he doesn't know. Unless he doesn't know. What is their interest for Odobroni to become a widow? What are they looking for? Then I'm sure. Odobroni pen Lumba in a way. I didn't be a good pen masses.
Na say be Odobroni so no Lumba ekoye no hwade wo fi.
And I'm see Lumba koye no hwade be so penny no gitu mu say oye be so penny no. No see onim. Dabi no konim here. One je be koye no hwade. So that in the law says that if a man is married already under civil law and you are lying to marry again, that second marriage is null and void by law. Go and read it. So even if they have a proof today that some category of selected human beings went to stand in so that they perform marriage right for Odobroni, that marriage is null and void because there's a civil marriage. What are we doing?
Because I don't go here.
I didn't be say we one master. Do you know what we are doing to Akosua Sewa? Do you know what we are doing to her? A citizen whose husband is a citizen, whose children are citizens. Do you know what happened in the German embassy? Then you can. Ana obusampeni on ti ya kana say. Me okuna yo no Odobroni anye bia den na besi. Ade ne eguru bani asisa. Na nyina ya hwe ha ya edin. Odobroni onyama danfo. Sewa onyama danfo ogina haji so because enya fonyamfoni atwegu anka binim no. I don't care about both of them, but I care about the precedent we are setting in the name of customary rights. The laws in this country, if you check the chapter 11 carefully, it gives us a right of customary marriage. Ghana accepts polygamy, but a man cannot be civil and still want to practice polygamy. You just leave the civil marriage and go and start the polygamy. And Lumba focused on a civil marriage and decided to have babies. And Akosua became quiet about it. Why now are we pushing an agenda that a family head, that one of the people I respect in Ghana, was family heads. And I look at them because they didn't rise up as small boys by virtue of knowledge, no school knowledge. If I respect them from that rising. But when they begin to goof, to give themselves to children to behave like this to them, I feel bad. Obin kache busampenyi say, asem na wakana ya soma ya twetwe or the nimguase ebre busuan esan say, Daddy Lumba kra te kire say, oni Akosua say wa ewo German awade a enguye. Enti awade obi a wato mra. Akosua ni busuanfo sorry. No one fatabo ento yie no so.
Oh dabi eno so dabi eno na wo kan.
Amasa.
And now come in.
Papa anya hwe abodi nya hwe.
Oh dabi.
O kadi be dabi. Am say manyi dwun so no ye do.
Enti say ebusapani na ye mistake a. Eni kwan say ye na ye wo chire so ye mistake. Na Lumba brand wa build reputation ni ade no. Ye kwankwan dent na nse no.
Ebusapani be ka che nse. Onim say Lumba wari obi kan. Ono sha say me bo.
Yes.
Alamwa.
I the same busapani na no.
Na feel say investigation. Wakwa investigation but we no proof. O say wakwa hu say finally no. Lumba ko Odobroni hu ade. Wan ene ko hu ade. Is it showing up by pictures? Why? I see. As we go this guy. It's a summer we asima won. Say Lumba feel say you good ni masia. Do yourself at so nkunu be nkunu.
Ah baby we do no.
Shakai. Say captain kan want na say. Owo etwa ade so. Ye bieje tum sa. Ni start your selection no. A year time in do ye. Ni bia to ho. Wo wan kan ye. Councillor Lutterodt. No correct. One kan. Me nam one. Radio presenter. Wa go je demudie. Now na what radio na say.
As an area there we are all catch Lumba someone say on Saturday.
Me ke busua someone say mo de hia no. Yes said anim. Say am pass sunsun wo wiase mu a obi anko kyekyere na on tisim no pam nkrofo mu hia they on sem fata wa be gire ye nachi wa ya no ho ageman intelligent honorable powerful president obi a be gire mo be so gun anim ase bia no suma e da busuo ni mu na suma bia nam ne bia bi from be mbo aden yesa okunafo su bible ni say okunafo osu enye su ketwa. She has tolerated this thing for a star and this is the end of it. I say me, I'm not talking for Akosua Sewa. I'm not talking for Odo Bruni or whatever her name is, Priscilla. But when I saw the suit, I was happy. I'm saying, say, Omuntie, Wanya Okuna, then see. Mayama sleeping dogs to lie.
To you say, Yama, Akosua Sewa, and Yenukuna. Odo Bruni in Tinechri, ye na ye which Ribiano.
The family has recognized Lumba Womba, and the law says that we should organize the children. Lumba is a citizen, and to cross Abawano and Kola woman and the Bemunian collecting are citizens. I get what I'm saying. And who will file for them? It's the legitimate wife who has understood that my husband has children who will file for them. But as we speak, she's not been able to prove by death certificate that my husband is gone.
So, and
as I see, I know the cause is here, or the court. Now, your husband got married again? That is a serious issue.
That is against their laws there.
Against even our law, huh? Even Ghana, it's against it because the civil marriage must run as civil marriage. You can be polygamous, nobody will stop you. So, I've been catching with some penny say, Onima or your penny, your boo mano. But member fan who folly you na yen kasa ni bia sebi anu ankotra no de obeka ye no on twen sign because eyenim gua siama Lumba obi nkasa Lumba ntun ware dudu but wa ware akosua se wa krata apie hwe de wo Ghana we miensa anopai me hu biom me hu biom se ampa se Lumba ko obi ho de se mo certificate impo kire a mo de kire ye nkura the law says once the first marriage has not been dissolved, whatever marriage that happened is null and void.